All right, y'all, it's hot. It's summertime, and we all need something cool and refreshing, but we don't like all of those carbs and the typical summertime drinks. Keto Chow to the rescue with their amazing electrolytes, the SALTT packets. I'm gonna have a link down below for you guys to get a discount if you haven't tried these yet. Let me show you how we make some amazing keto electrolyte packed mocktails for summer. All right, y'all, I'm gonna start a series of keto mocktails featuring the SALTT electrolyte packets. I love these. I drink them every single day. They make us feel so much better. And of all the ones on the market, these are my favorite. They don't clump, they don't taste as salty to me, and they have amazing flavors. You can get the totally unflavored ones if you wanna just do something like that and you don't want the extra sweeteners in your diet, if you're a carnivore, or if you just don't like sweet stuff, totally fine. But if you do like the flavors, and you're okay with some of that sweetness, they have some amazing flavors. Today, we're going to do a spin off of a drink I used to love when I lived in Key West. It was called a Key West Sunset. So today, we're gonna do an electrolyte sunset. I'm gonna show you guys how we do it. I have a zesty orange and a stoked mango salty packet here, and we are going to add, along with that, some almond extract and some coconut extract. You could also use cherry, but I actually find almond gives a nicer flavor, almost like cherry, than cherry extract does. So almond and coconut extract. I have a little bit of turmeric. It is totally optional. It's not there for flavor, it's just there for color. I also have a little bit of lemon juice and, of course, some beautiful fresh strawberries. We're not going to need very many, so it's going to be minimal amounts of carbs from those strawberries. All right, there's all of our ingredients. Let me show you how we put together the Electrolyte Sunset mocktail today. There's different ways to do this. You could do this in a blender. I'm going to use a stick blender, and I'm going to do it right here in a mason jar. So I have 1 packet of the zesty orange, 1 packet of stoked mango. You can make this sweeter by using less water, or you can make it not so intense by using more water. It's entirely up to you. So we're gonna empty both of these into our container. Next, this is purely for color. I'm gonna sprinkle in just a little bit of turmeric powder. It also has kind of a nice flavor. You don't have to do it, but it is kind of nice. All right, I'm gonna add in a couple of teaspoons of lemon juice. I'm gonna add about 1/2 teaspoon of almond extract. I'm gonna add about 1/2 teaspoon of coconut extract. And I'm gonna start with about 2 cups of water. Now we're just gonna blend that together really well. Next, I'm gonna put about 4 strawberries into a smaller container. Now you could do this with any flavor of berry that you like. If you wanted to use mixed berries, you could totally do that. Strawberry is my particular favorite, and that's what I used to get down in Key West. It was a strawberry and mango based cocktail, and it was amazing. Okay, we're gonna add just about 1 tablespoon of water, just enough to help blend that together. Now, if you wanted to, you could add a little bit of allulose or stevia or something to sweeten this. We're just gonna stick with it natural the way that it is. The berries should be sweet enough on their own, but if you wanted to sweeten them up, if they're a little tart, you could definitely do that. Just add that in there. All right, so we're gonna get some ice and put this together. All right, so we're gonna add in some ice cubes. We're gonna blend those together. All right, so we've blended that ice down in there. We're just gonna add some more whole ice cubes on top now. And now we're just gonna add our strawberry mix right on top. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is a beautiful keto electrolyte sunset. All right, Miss Ash has agreed to taste test the Electrolyte Sunset.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This looks amazing.
Yeah, now normally I would put this in smaller glasses and serve it to multiple people, but we're just gonna share today.
What if I don't want to share?
Well, you might not want to.
Well, I don't know. I haven't tasted it yet. If it's good, I mean, I want to. Let's see. Oh, okay. Oh my gosh. Really, really good.
Like that?
Yeah, like, oh, hold on. This is like probably the most refreshing drink. Like, it screams summertime to me. It's so good. I like all the different flavors. I like how they're layered, and it's like as you can move the straw kind of up and down, you can get the different layers, yet they're mixed at the same time. You have like, it's like smooth and creamy. It's like bright, it's refreshing. I also really like the little bit of strawberries on top, and like I get like little bits of the strawberry seeds. This feels like a lot bigger of a treat than what it is. And it's not like overly sweet either. I mean, it's just very like tart and refreshing, but it's not so tart that, like, you know, you can get like a sour taste. This is delicious. And the fact that it's full of electrolytes, I'm gonna be drinking these all summer long.
There we go.
You might want to make your own, I'm sorry.
All right.
So good.
All right, y'all. That is the Electrolyte Sunset with SALTT. I appreciate SALTT and Keto Chow so much for working with me. My link is down below, so you can go get yourself a discount on the SALTT electrolytes if you haven't tried them before. They're my absolute favorite. Some people like them, some people don't. Everyone's tastes are different, but I think of all the electrolytes on the market, these are the best. And more importantly, they have more of the things in them that I really need, like the magnesium and the potassium, than any of the other ones that I've tried. And Ash and I both feel so much better drinking these on a daily basis than any of the other ones that we've tried. So if you haven't done it yet, go give them a try. Tell them Chris Cooking Nashville sent you. Guys, make sure to eat your meat, love your life, make some mocktails this summer with your salty electrolytes. Stick around because I have a whole bunch more of these coming soon. We're gonna see you right here in the kitchen for more recipes and more fruity drinks. Happy summer, y'all. Dang, that is good.